characters that play a role within the events in Abraham's timeline have been drawn and individually labeled and can be referenced within this video. The characters were drawn as stick figures lacking facial features, body type, and skin color. Certain accessories were given to the characters to help distinguish the characters apart from one another. Angels were fitted with royal rainbow robes, kings were given crowns and carry scepters, and Pharaoh was even given a pharaonic headdress. The female characters were given hairstyles to help distinguish them apart from the male characters. The male characters were not drawn with hair. I cannot confirm that angels wear royal rainbow robes or that kings wore crowns and carried scepters. Personifying each character to best fit the role that is being played within the scene should help set the character apart from the other characters that share the scene. For example, if Abram and Sarai are standing before Pharaoh, I want for you to be able to easily look at the picture and pick out which character is Abram, which character is Sarai, and which character is Pharaoh. What I have up here is the 4 Hebrew letters that construct the name of God. Reading from right to left, there is a Yud, a Hey, a Vav, and another Hey. Out of respect, this name is not spoken and will be referred to as Hashem. Hashem is Hebrew for the name. Ha in Hebrew means the, and Shem in Hebrew means name. So Hashem means the name, and the name that we are referring to is this 4-letter Hebrew word. Now what is interesting is how we were able to stack the 4 letters on top of one another to construct the physical form of a human being. This image will represent the physical form of the creator when the creator is within the cartoon scenes. So this is the first character page. We talked about Hashem. Next to Hashem we see the angel. There's Noah, Terah, Abraham, Sarah, Hagar, Keturah, and Ishmael. Then we have Isaac, the top left-hand corner, Keturah's children, Lot, Lot's wife, Lot's daughter, Bethuel, Bethuel's wife, Laban, Rebecca. Then we have kind of like the king's page. We see Melchizedek, the upper left-hand corner, Bera, Abimelech, Amraphel, Arioch, Chedorlaomer, Tidal, Pharaoh, Zohar. And we see Eliezer, Abraham's servant, 1, Abraham's servant, 2, Lot's servant, Phicol, Abimelech's servant. At the bottom, Mamre, Eshcol, and Ner. This next page, we see Pharaoh's servant, Ephron, child of Heth, the woman, later to be named Eve, Rebecca's nurse, sodomite, slave, and maidservant. We have animal page. We see sheep, the top left-hand corner, cattle, male donkey, female donkey, camel, ewe lamb. Then on this last page, we see young heifer, young doe, young ram, turtle dove, pigeon, and vulture. So right here, it's actually the second page in the book. It's a group shot of all the characters together in the book. At the top we see the angels. Top right hand corner we see Abimelech in his setting. Then Zohar and Ephron and the child of Heth and the cave. The burial plot for Sarah. See city of Sodom and the sodomite. Next to him we see Pharaoh in his Egyptian setting. And all the characters basically, crowded around the creator. around Hashem. So this is just sort of a group shot showing all the characters. In the next video section, I'm going to begin stepping you through the events of Abraham's timeline according to the verses within the Torah scroll. The cartoon characters that you just saw will be put into positions to act out the scenarios that are being described within the Torah scroll. The cartoons will set the stage so that an accurate exegesis of the Torah scroll can be extrapolated. So I look forward to seeing you in Abraham's timeline.